Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Humbly Grateful Kitchen. If you are new here, you are absolutely welcome. My name is Jen, and today we are making something sweet, soft, golden, and absolutely irresistible. We are making puff puff. We are making puff puff. Now, puff puff is one of the most loved West African snacks. It is simple, but when done wrong, it can become flat, oily, hard, or too dense. But today, I'm going to show you how to make soft, fluffy, perfectly round puff puff step by step without skipping anything. So relax, get comfortable, and let's cook together. Before we start, let's go through our ingredients carefully. For this recipe, I am using 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, tablespoon active dry yeast, half teaspoon salt, and a half teaspoon nutmeg, warm water, vegetable oil for frying. Now let me explain something very important. Puff puff is simple, but balance is everything. Let's begin. I'm adding my flour into a large mixing bowl. Sugar, this gives sweetness and helps browning. Active dry yeast, and some salt and nutmeg. Salt balances the sweetness. Nutmeg gives that beautiful traditional aroma. Now I mix all the dry ingredients evenly before adding water. Now we add warm water gradually. Not hot water, not cold water, warm water. If it's too hot, it will kill the yeast. You see how I'm adding it little by little? This helps control the texture. You see how I'm adding it little by little? This helps control the texture. The batter should be smooth, slightly thick, but stretchy. This is the perfect consistency. It falls slowly, not too fast. If it's too cold, the puff puff will absorb too much oil. To test your oil, drop a tiny bit of batter in. If it rises slowly to the top, your oil is ready. Now I'm scooping the batter with my fingers. Drop gently into the oil. You see how they're forming round shapes? That's because our batter texture is correct. Turn them gently so they cook evenly. Do not overcrowd the pan. Give them space. Look at that golden brown color. This is what we want. Evenly fried, not burnt. Good puff puff should be light, airy, and soft inside. Look at the inside. Soft, fluffy, perfect air pockets. Sweet, light, and delicious. My beautiful people, this is how you make perfect puff puff every single time. A final sprinkle of powdered sugar for the perfect finish. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Humbly Grateful Kitchen. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer your puff puff plain with powdered sugar or dipped in chocolate? Until next time, keep cooking with confidence.